Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For this one you here, my name is Lollie and I love doing beauty videos, lifestyle videos and occasional vlogs. And yeah, so welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing two things. I'll be doing a glow up challenge featuring life as Ramlat. So she is also a beauty YouTuber, a Kenyan YouTuber as well, and you guys should really check out her channel. This is her channel right here and this is her Instagram, and I will link everything in the description box, so you guys should check her out. The next thing we're going to be doing in this video is I'll be demoing a new eyeshadow palette. It's not really new, is it? No. I'll be demoing the Joanna K eyeshadow palette. I've had this palette for like 2 weeks now. This is the palette, and you guys, this palette is beautiful. Yeah, that is the palette. It's what I used to create my eye look, and best believe I used all 10 shades in this palette on my face. Yes, I used all 10 shades. So yeah, you guys should stick around if you want to watch the demo, and I'll be demoing it for you guys so that you guys can just see exactly how the palette performs instead of reviewing and telling you guys my opinion. In a demo you guys just see how the palette performs and you guys can make an opinion for yourselves, because I know you're all just really smart ass people. So that's what you're going to be doing in today's video. If you're excited and if you want to see this, stick around. So guys, like I said, we are going to be demoing the Joanna K Kinuthia Joanna K eyeshadow palette by Joanna Kinuthia. This is the eyeshadow palette and I've had it for a few weeks now, like about 2 weeks, but as you guys can see, it's basically unused. I just wanted to use it on camera just so that you guys can get a gist of the palette. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using for the tutorial today. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, of course. So now we're just going to go right into the palette. You guys, I don't know if you guys just see how pigmented this eyeshadow palette is. I mean, I couldn't just keep quiet and just not say something. Have you seen how pigmented smoky is? Let me just show you on my hand. Just look at that. Just look at that. It is so pigmented, it's crazy. Like, it's so pigmented. So I'll just get a clean black. So guys, that's it for the eyes. I just went off and blended those 3 shades together on the crease, no, on the lid. Yeah, so I just blended those shades together, and I don't know if you guys can see, but this palette does have kind of a lot of fallout, so I would advise you to do your eyes before you do the rest of your face, just to avoid the colors messing up with the rest of your face. But the palette is very pigmented and I love that. So just going to go on to the rest of my face. So guys, on to contouring, and I swear you guys, cream contour was made for us round faced girls. As you can see, my face is just a lollipop shape. It's like, it's almost the same shape as this thing, just that mine is larger. Yeah, so cream contour was made for us, and that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just going to go and blend in this real quick. Guys, we are done contouring. As you can see, I'm no longer around. I am now structured, let's call it structured. Yeah, so by the way, you guys, you need to remember, when you contour, make sure you blend it in with your concealer. Don't leave any fine defined lines. Blend it out so that it looks seamless. We're going to be going back to the Joanna K palette, and we are going to be using the shade chocolate, and I think I'll mix with a slight bit of smoky, just a lot of chocolate and a tap of smoky, and then dust out the excess. Then and guys, that is it. We are done with setting the face. So I'm just going to set my makeup with my Mario Badescu aloe spray. This is what it, I don't know, can you guys really see what it looks like? I feel like my lighting is not working too well with the white on this. This is a spray. And before that, eventing, and I'll still be using the Joanna K palette, and I'll be going in with this shade Dancing Queen and Glow Getter. These two shades. Okay, let me just do this shade up here and this shade down here mixed together. And for my nose highlight, I'll be going in with Girl Boss and Glow Getter mixed together. These two shades right here. Dust off the excess, then set the nose bridge. You guys can see how blinding that is. Then I go with Glow Getter on my brow bone, and the same Glow Getter on the inner corners of my eye. Oh, I forgot to do my lower lash line. Oh my god, I thank god I've remembered. You guys can see how blinding that is. So I never ever do blush, but for today we are going to do blush, and we are going to be using Aspire for blush. Just use a tiny little bit just off the excess and just get some pink on the cheeks. So guys, this is the final look. I just went ahead and did my lower lash line and my lips off camera because time I don't want it to get dark when I'm still here. So for my lips, I did a nude liner, and I used the shade with a palette. I used the shade Smoky for the outer part of my lips. Then in the middle, I filled it with a nude lip liner. I tried as much as possible to come up with a lip shade that looks very close to some of the lippies in her collection, in the Aspire collection. And you guys, I love this eyeshadow palette. I think I'll be using it daily. It's pigmented, it's amazing. I mean, you guys have seen it for yourself. That's the whole reason I was doing a demo instead of a review, so you guys can see the palette in action for yourself rather than me give you guys my opinion, because it's more about what you guys want, not what I want. So yeah, that's it for the palette. I hope you guys like the look. I am obsessed with this look. I think I'll wear lashes a lot less. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and join the family, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, kisses.